Tommy boy, don't tell me any lies. What are you doing? What are you doing?
I am writing a note to Josh over at the local advance store. Let me turn Fleetwood Mac down for a second.
Oh yeah.
You know, I was thinking about this chair. I sat in it the other day, and let me.
Ooh, what is that? Is that a new feature?
Well, I think it's defective. If any of our viewers saw our stories from way back, this was the chair that Josh ordered for himself.
That's true, and then
It's the
we
one he
got
always
it.
wanted.
Right.
It's been signed by Josh's entire staff at his store.
Man, that's pretty thoughtful, Tom.
Right, so I'm writing a note that says, Josh, it's important that you know that your staff has your back. So here's the chair that your team signed the back of. It's only right. Max-Bilt.
That's brilliant.
So I'm thinking we bring it to the store.
I mean, if it's a little broke, I think he's probably pretty resourceful.
Here you go.
All right, so here's the skinny. As you know, Josh got us this wonderful chair a few months back, and because we didn't have one, and the rule was if it's not bolted to the ground, it can be sold. So we bought this chair. Now we're giving it back to him, but we're doing it in true Max-Bilt fashion. So this is Josh's office. Now you need to understand that Josh's his main focus is to support his teammates and team members in whatever they need in their day-to-day operations. So this little area of the store here is where he hides, but I don't think he spends much time here. But I'll tell you, this looks like a much more beautiful chair. And if for some reason, it's signed by everybody, the advanced team, the Max-Bilt crew, and for some reason he doesn't want it, I say we do a live auction for any of our viewers to be able to buy this chair, and it could go in their own home. We might put a sheet metal screw in the thing so it's not so broken, but that's for a later date. Perfect exchange. Tom, I don't think we should drag this one behind the truck though.
Nope.
No, I think we'll keep these casters in great condition. So.
All right, guys, we've made the switcheroo. Now it's time for us to go. These guys got a lot of work to do, so we're gonna get out of their hair. Everybody think ahead, think advanced.
I guess we have a chair problem again, as usual.
Sounds about right.
Are you,
How many more chairs do you take from
I
me?
don't know.
So I told Eric, I said, Eric, if I'm not back in a half hour, I said, check their Facebook story and then call the cops.
Maybe attack or something.
It's only right. All right, we'll take it.